priority encoders. Yes, ma'am. So guys, if you are able to observe in the basic encoders, what are the possibilities we are defining? We are defining for either 0001 or 0010 or 0100 or 1000. But what about the other cases? If other cases are getting as inputs, your circuit is going to behave abnormally, right? Because we constructed the circuit in such a way that, right? So the thing is, basically, if the normal encoder is going to behave abnormally when you are going to give other than those values, certain times what will happen? If the circuit may be short circuited, at the time you may get two lines as input high. At the time you are going to get unknown values, or it may behave abnormally. Am I right? So that's the problem. So that's the reason we are moving for priority encoders. In priority encoders, we are going to simply define one line having highest priority. That line is dependent on our requirement. Right? For example, I am saying that I3, I2, I1 and I0 are the inputs, and O0 and O1 are the outputs. Right? Now, you know, if enable is there, if it is not switched on, then irrespective of any kind of input, you are going to get the output as 0, 0. Right? If circuit is on, if you are going to have 0, 0, 0, 1, and you are going to get 0, 0 as the answer. Right? Now, if I am trying to say that 0, 0, 1, what does the meaning of this one? I am trying to give high input to the I1. Suppose, for example, if here also you got high input, what your encoder should behave, right? That we have to define. So for that reason, the priority encoder is saying that please give priority to top level line. Meaning that if I am going to have input high at this particular line, irrespective of the other lines. Means what? At the low level, if it is either 0 or it may be 1, I should not consider, always produce the respective line output. So for 1, what will be the answer? 0, 1. Similarly, if my circuit is enabled 0, 1, irrespective of low level inputs, either 0 or 1, I need to produce the output as 1, 0. If you are going to take one more possibility, 1 followed by triple X, you will get 1, 1 as output. So this is the way the priority encoder is going to overcome the drawback of normal encoder. So basically you can observe here earlier we have taken only 4 cases, when I0 is 1, I1 is 1, I2 is 1 or I3 is 1. But here we covered all the cases. Is it correct? We covered every case. If I am saying that 001x, which means that I can write as 0010 0011. These are 2 cases we covered. So that's the reason we are considering here all the possible cases. Right? Now tell me what is O0 and what is O1. Right? So try to take out with, so can I rightly write here? No, it is not possible because here we have don't case. Right? So what you can do now, try to take out some K maps. So you required a K map size 4 by 4. Right? So if I take this as I3, I2, I1 and I0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right? So I am trying to write it for O0. Right? So where might be the values for O0? These are the 2 cases we got. So for those, what are the values? 0, 1, XX. What is 0, 1, XX? It has to start with 0, 1. And it can be any values, right? Which means that, can I write all ones here? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Right? Similarly for this one, 1 followed by triple X means it has to start with 1, I3 has to start with 1, and irrespective of all the values, I am going to make them as 1s. Right? So now try to simplify. What is the maximum subcube is possible? 8, right? 2 cube is 8, and I can take this also. If you are going to simplify this one, what is the value you are going to get? You are going to get I2. If you are going to simplify this one, you are going to get I3. So simply O0 value is I2 or I3. I2 or I3. Similarly, you can solve it for O1. So this will be I3, I2, I1, I0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here O1 values are like 1, min terms are 1, 1 here. At the respective location 0, 0, 1, x and 1 followed by triple x. 1 followed by triple x means the last 2 rows are completely covered with 1s, and 0, 0, 1 x means what? 0, 0 is I3, I2, 1 means you are going to get the last 2 columns, 1 followed by x. So here you will get 1, 1. Now how we are going to combine the subcube, maximum subcube? Can I take these 4, these 8, and can I take these 4? Yes. Now what is the value of this maximum subcube? I3. What is the value of this 4 level subcube? I2 bar and I1. I2 bar and I1, right? Means that I3 plus I2 bar I1. I2 bar, right? So if you are going to simply draw the circuit for this one, so the inputs are like I3, I2, I1 and I0. Outputs are O0. O0 value you are going to get because of simply I2 or I3. I2 or I3. So we are going to get simply O0. Similarly, O1 you are going to get because of I3, or I2 bar, and I1. So here you are going to get I2 bar and I1, and here I am going to use simply some OR gate. So we are going to get O1. Right? So the case is here it is not connected. So we are expecting only outputs O0, O1. Right? So this is the corresponding circuit diagram for 4/2 priority